Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. And I promise you this is not an ad, but it's more of a point of reference. I asked for this Jones Road hippie stick balm for Christmas, and it was a Christmas wish list item because it's about 50 bucks, maybe 55. It's basically a solid lotion. That's what it is, and it's push up. It's not even a twist. Smells amazing. A little bit peppermint, some citrus, perhaps a touch of lavender for a floral note. Anyways, it makes my hands look about 10 years younger. It's a little greasy at first, but it's very moisturizing. It smells wonderful and it absorbs really well. I like to put it on my legs and my hands, sometimes my neck. But anyways, for 55 bucks, I thought, gosh, when I run out of this, I know I'm gonna want more. So I'm going to try to make my own. So that's what I did. And it turned out pretty darn well. It's not a total copycat, but it'll do the trick. And I already had most of the ingredients. So anyways, check out how to copycat this. Maybe you can take my recipe and tweak it and make it even better for yourself. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like it. Thanks. Hey guys. So the first step is to go ahead and gather all of your ingredients and make sure you have a nice clean workspace, have clean pipettes to use for each individual liquid, and make sure to use measuring cups and things that you're okay, like you don't use them for food. So I use paper plates in this case. So first thing I'm going to do is measure out my beeswax in a paper bowl. Then you want to reset your scale to 0, and then you're going to add 17 grams of cocoa butter. And I just used a butter knife to cut my pieces. New bowl, I'm going to measure out 20 grams of shea butter, again using a butter knife to cut my pieces and get it as close as possible. And then you're going to go ahead, zero out your scale, and add 15 grams of fractionated coconut oil. And when you're done with that, zero out and add 20 grams of sunflower oil. Make sure once you use this pipette, you don't use it in any other types of oils because you don't want to contaminate it. Next is jojoba oil or castor seed oil, and go ahead and measure out 10 grams of that. So now you have your two solids, and we're going to go ahead and do our liquids and essential oils. So vitamin E, 10 drops, and this was a little bit difficult to get. Sweet orange, if you like it more citrusy, you can do more, but I did 9 drops. Spearmint, 16 drops at least. You want a heavy mint. And then the lavandin, it's just lavender, and it's about the same as your sweet orange. Go ahead and give it a little mix. Have all your ingredients ready to go. Now I use this double boiler situation, and first step is to melt your beeswax and cocoa butter on low. Do not melt too quickly. Then you're going to add your other waxes and oils. Once those cool to 160, then it is safe to add your vitamin E and essential oils. If you add them when they're too hot, they'll just burn off. Now, after you give it a nice mix, pour it immediately because it will start to harden. If it does, set it on the stove because your burner's still probably warm, and then you can set those aside in a dust-free environment. Just leave them alone, let them cure for at least a week. And then go ahead and put your gifts together. I made these cute labels using Avery.com, and I made a school essentials one for my youngest daughter, this travel gift for a friend. Super fun to just kind of wish them safe travels, give them a couple essentials for their trip. And then I always like to have a hostess gift on hand. I love the Myers Mint soap, have a cute hand towel, and your balm. And as you know, I love making little handmade gifts and using cute supplies. So anything just to elevate a nice gift, I'm all for it. I just love the presentation part, and it's really simple. It doesn't take much. So you have a zipper pouch, just a ribbon holding this gift together, and then a paper bag and a really inexpensive scarf. Now, I love this stuff. It's my copycat recipe. It goes on a little more greasy than the Jones Road Hippie Stick, but it absorbs. So thanks for watching.